Inkampani ephakela ngogesi nedonsa kanzima ukugcina amandla ogesi ekhona kuleli ikhipha isitatimende esithi izophawula namuhla mayelana nesinqumo sabakwa-NERSA sokunyusa intengo yogesi ngamaphesenti angu-18.65 ekubeni inkampani yona ibifuna amaphesenti angu-32.
NERSA has approved the total allowable revenue of 300 billion rand for the year 2023-2024 financial year, and this translates to 173.80 cents per kilowatt hour, or 173.80 cents per kilowatt hour, and that translates to a percentage increase of 18.65.
I-NERSA igxekwe kakhulu ngokuvumela i-Eskom ukuba yenyuse intengo yogesi yize le nkampani yehluleka ukwenza umsebenzi wayo.
NERSA is supposed to look at Eskom and to decide what electricity increases should be allowed under normal circumstances. This is nothing but normal because Eskom is trying to increase electricity prices as much as possible because it's a bankrupt institution. They owe about approximately 400 billion rand.
I-Eskom isalokhu ibhekene nesikweletu samabhiliyoni acele emakhulwini amane amarandi. Akukho ukuphefumula kubathengi njengoba I-NERSA iphinde yagunyaza ukunyuswa kwentengo yogesi ngo-12.74% onyakeni wemali ka-2024-2025.